If you're a new mum, the last thing you want to worry about is cooking multiple meals a day. Prepping meals in advance can make postpartum life easier, ensuring that you get the nutrients you need while saving time and energy. In today's episode of Nourish, I'm going to take you through 5 meal prep ideas to keep you nourished and feeling your best. Stay tuned. Welcome to Nourish. My goal is to help you optimize your diet and your little ones so that you can be your best and can give your little one the best start in life. For more details on how I can help you, please see the description box below this video. Now let's jump into 5 of my favorite meal prep ideas. Number 1 is freezer-friendly breakfast burritos. Now, if you're anything like our household, mornings can be chaotic, but having a nutrient-packed brekkie ready to go is a game changer. Prepare whole wheat tortillas filled with scrambled eggs or tofu, black beans, cheese and veggies. Wrap them individually and then freeze. When you need a quick meal, whether it be brekkie, lunch, snack or dinner, simply warm one up in the microwave or oven. Number 2 is overnight oats. Now this no-cook breakfast is a great way to ensure that you're getting fibre, protein and healthy fats. Simply combine oats, milk or yogurt, chia seeds and fruit in jars. Let them soak overnight in the fridge and enjoy a ready-to-eat brekkie in the morning. If you're struggling to maintain your calories, you might like to add some extra nut butter for an extra energy boost. Number 3 is slow cooker soups and stews. Now I love my slow cooker, and a nourishing soup or stew is easy to make in bulk and can be packed with postpartum friendly ingredients like lentils, leafy greens and lean proteins. Cook a large batch and store portions in the freezer for quick warm meals that require very minimal effort. Number 4 is energy bites. These are fantastic for when hunger strikes between meals. So just blend oats, nut butter, flax seeds and honey into little bite-sized energy balls, store them in the fridge or freezer, and then you've got a quick nutrient-dense snack that supports postpartum recovery. And finally, number 5 is sheet pan dinners. For easy one-pan meals, just prep a mix of lean protein, such as chicken, salmon or tofu, some colourful veggies and a simple marinade. Store them in meal prep containers and then ready to roast in the oven when you need a balanced dinner with minimal cleanup. Preparing meals in advance will help you to stay nourished and reduce stress during those early postpartum weeks. Keep things simple, focus on nutrient-dense foods and don't hesitate to ask for help if needed. Your body is healing and you deserve meals that are going to support your recovery. Make sure that you subscribe and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. I'm ready. I've got words for it.